The Queensland Government has rolled the dice on Star's two Sunshine State casinos, requesting the venues prove why they should be allowed to retain their licences. Lucy Gray reports.
Late Thursday night, the licensees of Star Gold Coast and Treasury Brisbane were issued show cause notices by Queensland's Attorney General. This means the company has 21 days to prove why it deserves to keep its casino licences and avoid any other disciplinary action. The notices have been prompted by a report handed down in October that was conducted by former Judge Robert Goddison. It found major failings in the operations at both venues. Specifically, the Star was found guilty of abandoning its anti-money laundering responsibilities, deliberately misleading the regulator and having a poor corporate culture. The Attorney General has released a statement saying while it's important that we don't preempt the outcomes of these show cause notices, new legislation ensures the government has a range of disciplinary options available following that process. This includes increased fines of up to $100 million and the appointment of a special manager. The Star entities have until the 25th of November to respond. The Attorney General will then decide what disciplinary action, if any, is taken.